Kaunti ya Youth ya Kenya Youth Inter-County Sports Association Games kana chiza MATHINDA yanende KUTHITHIKIRA byenine bya kibobwa Boys, Chuka Boys, Chuka Girls na Chuka University yakaithe kamori yoina county ichiumirete nende kwa kanya nende achedi barabakidira nende baichirwa maira.
Mweri wena ara michezo ya mwanka uyu ya Kenya Youth Inter-County Sports Association ya kinthiguru ikaruthirwa ndeni ya kaunti ya THARAKA NITHI ara imunthi atongoria bakiama gikubari ungite kuona bieni bira bigatumika kiri michezo no kirio kieni kia michezo ya kirubia na bia chukuru cha secondary cha Boys, Chuka Boys, Chuka Girls na kia University ya Chuka. Michezo no ya mubira wa maguru, volleyball na basketball iruthikaga wakira mwanka imthakanari barabatachetha machindanoni mangi.
This is our 8th edition that will be hosted by THARAKA NITHI, and we expect to have at least 40 counties participating, if not all the counties. We've come to Chuka for the preparatory meeting. So far so good. The preparations are going according to plan. We have inspected the pitches.
Chukuru mbingi mbene bieni bibu ikionanagia kuigua chethurana ritabukugana kwa kimamo achethi baba.
So the bed capacity is for 1,200 students. But I would not want us to take that capacity because I have talked about
the triple bed.
Don't mention it. No, water, we have no problem of water. We have our own intake at the forest.
Given that this is February and the games will be held from 23rd to 30th of April, the level of preparedness is very satisfactory, and we expect that by the time we reach April, they'll be complete, and we'll have one of the best tournaments that we have ever had in all the editions.
David Mwangi uranwe mukaririgite wa kiama kia KYISA na Peta Mukana arugamiri timu cha county batiga achethithia achethi bachethete ndeni ya machindano mangi.
Not people participating in the leagues, not people playing in the university games. The age we have said it's 18 to 23. Let's stick to that. We always have a problem, and it's very sad when you have to disqualify a team on account of cheating. Let them expose the raw talent, because that's what we want to do, to nurture talent.
Alan Wanga uraimuchethi arinkuma wa timu ya nthiguru ya Kenya Harambee Stars na urankurukina afisa wa thirikari ya kaunti ya Vihiga na uritie mbeu mbithi batumire kanyaka kuonania na ukuria talanta ciago.
Between 18 and 23 hawa ni watoto wenye hawajai labda pata chance ya kucheza any league, so it's a very big opportunity for them, and I would just urge them to give their all in this competition, because we are going to have scouts wenye wata scout the talents, and I believe by the time tunamaliza hii tournament, so many players will get a chance maybe to go outside or get clubs.
Nkiripotera Weru TV kuma ichigo bunge ya Chuka Igamba Ng'ombe mbita wa Samuel Gaishima.